all of the apps that I have mentioned, I would pick welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifeoluwa, and on this channel I teach you how to leverage digital tools, skills and platforms to succeed in digital economy. So today guys, we are looking at the best apps for social media and for Instagram precisely, and we are looking at these apps based on apps for photo editing, apps for video editing, and apps for planning out your content. Let's get into it guys. I named these apps based on their order of ease of use, especially for beginners. The first app that I would consider for photo editing is the VSCO app. And with VSCO app, one thing that I love so much about VSCO is the ease of creating an aesthetic look and feel. Like you can easily create your feed aesthetics using VSCO, and they have already set in presets that you can use fixed, and this can even branch off to other platforms just as a consistency in your brand look and aesthetics. It also has navigations that are user friendly and easy to learn with. The second app for photo editing is Snapseed. Like I love Snapseed so much. You can use Snapseed to remove objects out of your images, especially when you have a plain background, or for you to regenerate and create another plain surface where the object was. It is also user friendly. There are so many amazing things you can do on Snapseed. Another thing again that you can do on Snapseed is the photos that are cropped, especially when you post on your Instagram feed or post when your pictures are cropped. You can use Snapseed to expand the background. Third app for photo editing that I just found out recently and I'm really obsessed about is Canva. Like Canva is doing a lot. It's that gift that keeps on giving. Canva photo editing app is so easy to use, so user friendly. They also have already loaded in presets and edits that you can use. All you have to do is adjust it to your own look and feel. And one thing about Canva is you can do several other things apart from photo editing all in one place. And so I would recommend Canva as my third app for photo editing as a beginner. Then the final app for photo editing as a beginner is Lightroom. One thing I love so much about Lightroom is the fact that you can have a consistent color theme in all of your images or your photos. This is like for a brand or for even your personal brand. It might still be part of your look and aesthetics, part of your feel of your brand. A particular color might be a color you are trying to point out and give it that uniform look. Moving to apps for video editing, and the first on my list is InShot. InShot is so user friendly. InShot has a lot of features that you can use for your transition, for stickers, for your text, for your editing, name it. InShot for me is user friendly and is my go-to as a beginner in video editing. The second app is VSCO. Fill into your videos. You can color grade your videos using VSCO as well. And finally, Canva. Simple edits. You can use Canva to get your editing going as a beginner. Moving on to apps for planning. So my first app for this is Canva. Canva has a platform where you can plan your posts and you can schedule to publish. The feature on Canva is for the paid plan, and I feel like it's worth the investment. My second app for planning and publishing is Meta Business Suite. It is connected to both Instagram and Facebook. Plan. You can also schedule your posts. You can also publish from this platform. Actually see the analytics of your post, see the one that's working and the one that you should continue with. So guys, out of all of the apps that I have mentioned, I would pick Canva as my number one app for a beginner on their social media game. I would say Canva because Canva has all of the things that you need for photo editing, for video editing, for planning, for publishing, for scheduling. Just invest in Canva and have a more easy life. So guys, I hope this has been interesting and I hope it has been insightful. I hope you've gained something from it. Please like, share with somebody that needs to begin their social media game to 100 this year. Please like, share, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.